Hello those, hello friends. Welcome to my automation testing knowledge channel. Through in the last session we have introduced about the Selenium introduction. Now let's move to the Selenium component. So there are we have Selenium components of Selenium like Selenium ID, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. So we let's move to the details of every Selenium component. So first Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is nothing, it's a Selenium integrated development environment. A service is innovative toolkit to help web testing, allows users to record interaction of the web application. Selenium IDE was initially created by the Shinya Kastani in 2006. Selenium IDE also helps simplify the testing process. It's friendly space for tester developer of team. This helps everyone quickly share important testing importance and result, making things work better and feel accomplished. Selenium ID is extension of the Firefox browser. We use as a record and playback of web application. So following are the features of the Selenium IDs like record, playback, browser check element, spot error, exporting test. So record is nothing, is we use a Selenium ID. Users can record how they are used in web application. After recording, we use ID automatically repeat what you recorded earlier. It will record your locator of the web application and store into its Selenium ID extension. Browser check. Selenium ID works on various browsing for testing. Different types of check element of the different parts of the web pages set and how to work with them. Spotting error like while Selenium ID to find the and fix the issues of their automation test step by step. Export, we can export the Selenium test cells that it created in Selenium ID in a different programming language like Java, Python, C Sharp, and use another Selenium tool. Now go with the Selenium RC. Nothing is Selenium is remote control is one of the earliest Selenium tool and is let's coming with the new feature of Selenium WebDriver. It allows the tester to write automated test web application in various programming language, Java, C Sharp, Python, and Selenium IRC was its ability to interact with the web browser using a server, which act as intermediary between testing, coding, and the browser. WebDriver is often considered a better choice of Selenium RC of several reasons are allowed. Improved API, better performance and support for modern web technologies. WebDriver offers a more significant straightforward and initiate API compared to Selenium RC, making easier to developer and tester to write and maintain automated tests. Better performance, Selenium WebDriver interact directly with the browser, bypassing the need to intermediate server like Selenium RC, which leads to the faster execution and improved performance. WebDriver is directly communicate with the browser instead of server like Selenium RC. Selenium web technology uses support modern web technologies HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. Now third is Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is a robust and open source framework for automating the web application. Primarily, focus of the is of testing and verification of web application of component module. As an important part of Selenium suite, WebDriver offer a programming interaction to interact with the web browser, allowing developer and tester to automate browser actions seamlessly. Feature of the Selenium WebDriver is that direct communication with the browser, support parallel execution, and also support the reset of API. Through the Selenium WebDriver we can manage it. Support of parallel execution Using number of test cases we want to automate in parallelly, enabling faster test cycle and efficient utilization of resources. Setup of APIs is component set of API navigating through web pages, interacting with web element, managing window and handling alert, etc. Now third is a Selenium grid. Grid is a nothing is a server that allows to test use of web browser instance running on remote machine. Means we can say we use when we use a Selenium grid, we can our test divided into a different machine with a different browser platform operating system. We can use with the help of Selenium grid is one server actual act as a hub that connect to the hub to obtain access browser instance. Feature of Selenium grid as Selenium grid allows running tests in parallel on multiple machine managing different browser version. The ability to run tests on remote browser instance is useful to spread the load of testing across several machines. Run tests in browser running on test different platform and operating systems. These are uh, four components: Selenium Grid, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium RC, and Selenium IDE. Now, in the next session, we will cover more advanced feature of the Selenium WebDriver. Thank you for watching this video by Deepesh Tongia.